What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Entertainment. So, something really interesting, and it is that Kenny Kunene is back. Kenny Kunene has been named as the candidate for Johannesburg Mayor by the Patriotic Alliance, despite that suspension that he was given, by Gayton McKenzie after he was found, to be at the home of Katiso Molefe. So, Kenny Kunene has thrown, his head in the ring. So this is coming after Helen Zille had, made her position clear that she wants to be the Johannesburg mayor. So this is now Kenny Kunene coming in and challenging Helen Zille directly. So the one question that is there is, why are these parties naming their mayoral candidates? It's like they are planning for a potential removal of Dada Morero. So, as you know, Johannesburg is being run by coalition politics, and coalition politics, it's associated with this instability that is there. No single party has a secure majority. So that means the mayor's position, it depends on support from several parties. So if enough of those, parties decide to withdraw support, a motion of no confidence can remove the mayor. So often, parties, they are naming, their alternative candidates ahead of such a move. So this announcing of their candidates, it's a signal, that the current mayor, that is Dada Morero for Johannesburg, is being seen as underperforming. So that is definitely clear. If you go online, you'll see that so many people are not happy with Dada Morero. They're dissatisfied, with his work, and they're saying he is like incompetent, not doing enough, etc., etc. So there is a lot of pressure to remove him, and there is going to be a lot of support from the public if he is removed. So this is why these parties, the DA, the Patriotic Alliance, are coming in and naming their candidates, which is a plan to vote Morero out. So the Patriotic Alliance, they have Kenny Kunene in their corner. The DA, they have Helen Zille, the ANC, they have Dada Morero. Obviously, they're going to stick and stand with him. So this decision, by the DA and the PA, it's a plan to try and show voters that they have a plan, that they can deliver, service delivery, city finances, etc. This is being done, as sort of like a campaign ahead of 2026. So naming a candidate, it demonstrates, that they aren't just criticizing, but they are proposing someone who can deliver much, much better than what is currently there. So Dada Morero is in a really tight corner, if you ask me, and I don't think that he can survive this onslaught, that is coming in left, right, and center. I just see him going to be removed at the end of the day. But who is going to take over? The DA, I don't think so. It's going to be really interesting going forward. I'll catch you guys on the next one.